Hi everyone, welcome back to Digital Partners. In today's video, we are going to show you how to create a poll on WhatsApp. If this video is helpful, let us know in the comments, leave a like, and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Let's get started. So first, open WhatsApp on your phone. This works the same way on both iPhone and Android. Now, go to the group chat where you want to create the poll. Polls are mainly useful in group chats, since they allow multiple people to vote and share their opinion. Once you are inside the group, look at the bottom of the screen. If you are using an iPhone, tap the plus icon on the left side. If you are using Android, tap the paperclip icon on the right. From the menu that appears, select the poll option. Now you can type your question. For example, you can ask something like, "Which do you prefer?" Below that, start adding your options. Type the first option, then move to the next field to add another one. Each time you add an option, WhatsApp automatically creates a new field for you. If you want, you can also choose whether people are allowed to select multiple answers. In this case, we are going to leave it off so everyone can vote only once. Once everything looks good, tap send in the top right corner. Your poll is now live in the group chat. People can start voting right away, and you can tap on view votes to see who voted and which option they selected. And that's it. Now you know how to create a poll on WhatsApp.
We hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss our upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching Digital Partners, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.